Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to send DMs on Twitter. First of all, open the Twitter or X app. After opening up the app, tap on any random tweet and click on its profile icon. Once you get into its profile, click on the message icon from its profile. Then tap to send the message, but if you're not able to send DMs from this way, after that, click on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now scroll down in your profile and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down in Privacy and tap on Direct Messages. Right after that, tap to choose the Everyone option to allow message requests from. Now, you're able to send DMs to everyone on Twitter or X. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.